Stand up, you, yes you, still crying, still curled up like life owes you comfort. I gave you breath, I gave you fire, and you choose to drown in your own doubt. Do you think I made you this way? Do you think I formed your bones, filled your lungs, carved your soul, just to watch you break? No, I made you for the storm, and here you are, breaking at the wind. You begged me for strength, and I answered with pressure. You asked for purpose, and I gave you pain. You wanted growth, then why do you flinch at fire? Listen, diamonds aren't born in silence, warriors aren't made in peace, and you want to rise without bleeding? You want to be great without being broken? Then you've misunderstood everything. I don't waste storms on the unworthy. I send them to the chosen. I send them to you. So if you're hurting, good. If you're screaming, perfect. It means you're becoming. But becoming isn't soft. It isn't sweet, it's raw, brutal, honest. Brutal. It will tear pieces of you away until only the truth remains. And that truth is who I made you to be. So get off your knees, stop waiting for a rescue. You are the rescue. You're the answer to prayers you haven't heard. You're the weapon I forged in fire and fury. Do you think I watch you suffer because I enjoy it? No, I watch you because I know what's on the other side. You want me to move, then stand. You want me to speak, then fight. Because I don't carry the cowardly. I elevate the relentless. This pain isn't punishment, it's preparation. So rise, with shaky legs, with trembling hands, with fear in your chest and fury in your heart. Rise anyway, because falling isn't failure. Staying down is, this is not your end, this is your awakening. And I did not light a fire in you to let it die in the dark, so stand up, and don't you dare sit down again.